go angle.
You gotta stir it, though.
Watch the door.
Wait. Oh, hit it a little bit.
It's gonna rub off.
Okay, go.
It's gonna go down.
Wait. Okay, go.
Watch the top. Yay! Good deal.
It's like a ship going under a bridge.
Like a ship going under a bridge. Huh? It's okay. You can turn on the oven now.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
You like. Wait.
3 Hawaiians moving a chicken coop.
Wait, hold it.
What do you mean? Oh, my water's dripping.
Yeah. Okay, now calm down. Push.
Good. Thank you for watching.
3 Hawaiians moving a chicken
Okay,
coop.
turn. Okay, wait now, okay? Wait. Okay, wait now.
Go one side, go the other side.
There's the Coca-Cola Hawaiian in front.
You make a hairpin turn. Why never go out some?
Okay, wait now. Because the thing going to fall that way. So you gotta make sure, lovely, stand that side and push it away.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I got bad back. I told him, I said, I'll film you.
Oh.
That's a chicken coop.
What?
Yeah.
What? It's going her way too much. I think,
Stop.
huh?
Yeah, sure.
Ready,
We
go.
got another hand for you.
Who's that, Bob?
Yeah.
Oh, no, his neighbor. Hey, I think we got him. Turn him out, lovely.
Yeah.
Other way,
Yeah.
lovely. That way. You gotta turn. Wait.
Okay, time out.
There you go.
Time out.
We did in a minute.
Okay.
Lovely, why are you going straight?
I thought it was going this way.
Yeah, how are you gonna do that?
Wait, great.
Time out.
This is smoker.
You got the steering wheel, go front.
Yeah. So she has to go out and go through.
You got to lift it up and over. Right?
No, that thing will bend.
Michael Ben?
So we gotta go this way, right? Go up.
Yeah,
Oh, make a big turn.
I'm not gonna let you drive anymore.
Well, we got the worst part.
We're gonna get it.
Sister's belly is bigger than
Using
her
my breath
boobies.
already. Gotta quit smoking.
Tell my coworker outside.
The garden.
Well, we got the worst part coming in there.
Yeah, but you guys are freaky. You guys have got like no
You gotta be
gumption.
extra